Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss wireless LAN controller deployment. So as we know that the job of an access point is to accommodate or to give wireless connectivity to some of the clients, and that job actually can be divided into two parts, which we discussed in some split MAC architecture in previous video. And those two parts can be lightweight access point and wireless LAN controller. So you can see this is the lightweight access point and this wireless LAN controller. So its job has been divided into two parts. And one single WLC actually can support hundreds of access points, hundreds of lightweight access points. Then this is always a question that where to place, what should be the proper deployment for this part, but that is WLC. And this deployment actually depends on different things like organization size, the number of access points required, a number of clients supported. So depending on these parameters, we have different deployment strategies. The first one is unified or centralized WLC deployment. Here in centralized deployment, actually this is based on the theory, or this is based on the assumption that if something is in the center, then everybody will be able to access that thing easily. Now in this case, for example, the traffic has to move from this lightweight access point to this one, then it has to move there, from this and this. So what should be the proper? So the proper location for WLC in such kind of scenario is the central location where everyone should be considered as central location. So this is the proper location, and this is connected with some core layer switch, so access layer, distribution, core layer switches. And the core layer switch, on that layer we have connected this wireless LAN controller. And this kind of architecture, the centralized WLC deployment, is suitable for large enterprises having up to 6,000 access points. So we can have 6,000, sorry for this access point, and this can support up to 64,000 clients. And next we have the cloud-based WLC deployment. So in this case, WLC actually exists as a virtual machine rather than a physical device, and this exists in a private cloud. So in this case, we have a private cloud, and in that cloud we have deployed our WLC, or this wireless LAN controller, which is going to control all these access points. This is suitable for private cloud, and this supports up to 3,000 access points and supports up to 30,000 clients. So it means 3,000 access points can be controlled by a single wireless controller, and that wireless controller is somewhere in the cloud. Then we have embedded WLC. So in this case, WLC actually can be co-located within a stack of switches. So for example, here we have these switches. They can be co-located here, and controller is embedded within the switching hardware. Controller means wireless LAN controller, WLC, is embedded within the switching hardware. So you can see here, so situation will be like that. The wireless controller will be embedded with some switch. And such kind of deployment is suitable for small campus, which supports up to 200 access points and 4,000 clients. And the last one is Cisco Mobility Express WLC deployment. Here, this WLC functions actually can be co-located with an access point. So what happened? We saw here the central with the switch, and now co-located with the access point itself. And Cisco Mobility Express is a virtual wireless LAN controller integrated on access point. You can see here, this is an access point, and controller is also integrated there, and this is one of the deployment strategy. And this is suitable for branch location. This supports up to 100 access points and supports up to 2,000 clients. So this all information is available on Cisco website, and you can see there as well. And thank you very much for today. video, and I hope to see you in some other video. Thank you. Thank you very much.